Hello everyone, today I'm making a nice butter biscuits. Okay, first things first, 250 grams of butter, room temperature, preferably on the softer side, so it's easy to incorporate the sugar and to mix through. Okay, it's gonna loosen it. This is a new machine. Okay, 1 cup of caster sugar. Okay, now mix it through. We just do this for a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to add 1 egg. Mix some more. Getting used to this new machine. It's quite exciting. Teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now you can make this a vanilla butter cookie, right? I'm gonna add some cardamom, ground cardamom. I just love the flavor. You don't have to do it. This is a basic butter biscuit recipe, so you can add whatever flavors you like. It's just the base. Okay, I'm going to mix this through. Okay, now I'm going to add 2.5 cups of flour, about a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Like I said, you don't have to add that, and a teaspoon of baking powder. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You bring everything together to form a nice soft dough. Oh, sorry. Just at the beginning, I'm going to use my spoon, and then I'm going to go in with my hands. And I said 2.5 cups of flour. If you feel your dough is a bit on the still the sticky side, you just add a few more tablespoons of flour. And I've used cake flour. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to go in with my hands to form a soft dough. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, the dough has come nicely together. I added a few more tablespoons of 2-3 tablespoons of flour, and now I'm going to put it in cling wrap and put it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. And the next step is we're going to roll it out, decorate it, and bake it in a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I've rolled out my dough on a floured surface, and it's about 5 millimeters. And I've got the decorations here, hundreds and thousands, and some cherries. You can use angelica and the cookie cutters. I've greased my tray, and I'm just going to cut it out and decorate. Quick, no long story. I've got a tree cutter, make a few of these. Okay, and then I have you can make any shapes you like. Okay, and the hot. Okay, now we're going to place it on the cookie sheet. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay, so when you do the hard biscuits, you flip it upside down onto the hundreds and thousands and you press it down with your fingers and then you put it on the tray. Okay, press it down. Old school. And then you just put it on the sheet. Give it a harder press. There we go. Okay, now we decorate the rest. Any way you like, okay? There's no rules. It's your biscuits. Any way you like it. Okay. Smaller ones. Okay, I won't let you wait. I'll just finish it up and we'll be right back. Okay, this is the first batch going into the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are nice golden brown, and then you take it out, cool it off, and it's ready to serve. We're going to put it in the oven now. Okay, it's out of the oven. I'm just going to let it cool and we'll be right back. Here it is, guys. Biscuits are done. The smell is amazing because I used pure butter, but you can definitely use any butter you like. There we go. And that nice golden edges. Okay. There we go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with another video soon to be continued. Bye everyone. Love you guys.